Oh, it's not very nice out there. Oh, there you are. Hello, and welcome to the channel. Welcome to Larcs Workshop. I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank all of you subscribers out there. There's now 980 of you. Yay, that's good. So we're nearly there to the 1,000. I'd like to take this opportunity also to wish you all a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Yeah, it'll be just me, my wife and our kids this year, keeping it nice and small. And just a quick update on what we're doing here. And as you can see, we're in a right mess. So I'm having a change around, like I spoke to you previously, and some of your comments said, move everything away from that wall. And I'm going to see if I can get the van in this angle, you know, using the space here to get it in, because it is so tight here. But so yeah, so we'll see if that works. So this is what I'm going to be doing on my days off over Christmas. So yes, and also Chloe has moved in on this side. She has had a good tidy up actually, which is nice. But yeah, it was too cold in the shed and windy and drafty. So yeah, she's moved in here for now. We'll see. And look, yeah. It's very messy. There we go. But yeah, so this is what I'm going to be doing over Christmas. Sorry, I'm going to have a couple of weeks off of doing videos while I try and sort this out. I don't think it'd be very exciting to record for you guys. And that's where we stand at the moment. I want to crack on with the Vivaro, get that done, then move on to that bad boy. I want to do it. I want to get on with it, but I can't just leave a project half done because if I do, I'll never finish it. So, I'm sure. Thank you so much over the last year and a bit for subscribing and supporting the channels. Thank you for all your comments. I try and read them all, and I try, if I can, to reply to them all. It's all very much appreciated. And let's look forward to 2021. Let's hope it'll be a better year for all of us. So, again, I've said it once, but thank you very much. Have a good Christmas, good holidays, and I hope to see you next year. Cheers then. Bye.